Hey crochet lover, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video, I'm going to show very beautiful and stunning look crochet baby booties designs ideas. Hope so you like this video. Hope so you like this all the ideas, all the designs. So please watch this video till end and please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Today we are hooking up the cutest crochet baby booties ever. Get ready for booties full ideas and tips and tricks detailed video. So please watch this video without skip and please like this video and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to let my daily routine videos that I upload daily for you. Meet the Toonie Toots' new favorite footwear crochet baby booties. Add a touch of handmade love to baby's wardrobe with these adorable booties designs. If you want to knit this design, so please watch this video without skip. I will explain you full detail with step by step in my detailed video in this video. Let's get started with the soulful beginning. Let's get started soulful beginning. Now let's heelful our booties. Time to totally finish their booties, cutest booties. You need this beautiful and cutest booties with the help of single crochet hook and single crochet chain yarn. Hope so you understand this all the booties detailed video. If you want to see more detailed videos and detailed ideas, so please visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas about crochet work and knitting work. Crochet work is a handmade process. You use many different sizes crochet hook and yarn and make these all the booties easily. Tiny feet deserve tiny booties and lot of love. Crochet some booties with these amazing booties. These amazing booties are perfect for your baby booty shoes. If you want any question, if you want any idea about these all the collection, so please tell me in comment section. I will explain you full detail with step by step in my next video. You see in my YouTube channel full DIY tutorial about these all the collections, so please visit my channel and watch my full DIY tutorials and tips and tricks with step by step in my detailed video. Thanks for joining us. Do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to let my daily routine videos. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.